Morning, welcome to today's show. Today we're gonna put a metal watch band on my Momentum watch. Let's have a look at this. It's my Momentum watch band. In pieces. Looks like some pins. And that feels really good, solid. I'm looking forward to it. I'm gonna put it on this Momentum Torpedo, give it a new look. Well, let's get started. So look at, press these. Lift up that. Wow, that is solid. You'd have to never worry about that coming apart. There. Get this on. With your clasp going away from you. That's how I want it, like this. So there's end links here, and they go through both the bracelet. See that, the bracelet and the watch. They'll go like this. Put one through here. And put it in the hole. Push that down. Get it in. Do the same with this other side. And piece in. Right through both of them. Just have to wiggle. There, I just had to push it down a little bit. Now it's in. It's probably a little trickier doing this side. There you go. How long did it take? 5 minutes. Well, that looks really good. Let's get the plastic off. Try her up. That just dresses that watch up. I like that. It looks really good. There it is. I'll make another video about how to adjust this. That looks really nice. You know, it just dresses it up from the old NATO strap to this one. If you like today's video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. If you have a comment that'll help others, please leave it, and we'll adjust this in the next video. Thanks for watching.